Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to your chemistry class. So in the previous online classes, we'll topic discuss about the hydrogen peroxides, and online classes will be cover your physical properties of hydrogen peroxides. So next today will be discuss about the chemical properties of hydrogen peroxide. So in the online classes we discuss about the first, that is decomposition. So here that is the pure hydrogen oxide, that is liquid is decomposed to be converted into water and oxygen, and for a very long times on be standing or heating they also be decomposed into the water molecules and oxygen. This is also be as a auto oxidation and reduction process. Okay, and this reaction is also be accelerated by the using of certain metal ions and metal powders like your copper, silver, gold and platinum etc with the use of some metal oxide. Okay, so these are also be helpful for the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide to water molecule and oxygen. Next property, that is your acidic nature. So hydrogen peroxide that we act as a weak acid. Okay, because they be turned as a blue litmus into red. Okay, and here also with the present your two types of salt like your acidic salt and a normal salt. So here after the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, that is convert into proton ions, and that is your HO2 negative. Okay, that is your hydro peroxide, and this is your peroxide ion. After the loss of 2H positive ion to convert into peroxide ion, this is your like a normal salt and this is your acidic salt. Okay, and hydrogen peroxide is more, that is sorry, hydrogen peroxide is a weaker acid as compared to the carbonic acid. Acid is a more acidic as compared to the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, third property is your oxidizing and reducing character. So here hydrogen peroxide that is act as a reducing agent as well as a oxidizing agent in both the acidic and basic medium. Basic medium stands for alkaline solution, and here oxidation state for hydrogen peroxide in your -1. Each oxygen is carry the -1 oxidation state in the hydrogen peroxide, and hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizing agent, and here the that is hydrogen peroxide act as a reducing weak reducing agent. अगर कंपैरिजन देखा जाए बोथ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एंड reducing एजेंट में हाइड्रोजन peroxide का, तो हाइड्रोजन peroxide is your powerful oxidizing agent, but your hydrogen peroxide is a reducing agent but as a weak reducing agent. Okay, so after that here hydrogen peroxide be reacted within the both the acidic and basic medium to be as act as a oxidizing and reducing agent. So firstly we discuss ki when the hydrogen peroxide be act as a oxidizing agent in the acidic medium. Okay, so here be reaction is your in the acidic medium. Okay, so in the acidic medium, that is your lead sulfide. Okay, that is in the acidic medium, that is your lead sulfide is be converted into the lead sulfate. Okay, because here the lead sulfide that is treated with the water molecules, sorry, hydrogen peroxide, so here be convert into the lead sulfate plus water molecules. Okay, this is oxygen is your nascent oxygen. Okay, similarly for when we treated with in the basic medium, so here basic medium when the potassium nitrite is convert into potassium nitrate. Okay, in similar case when your benzene is treated with the hydrogen peroxide molecules. Okay, benzene is treated with hydrogen peroxide molecule is converted into that is your phenol. Okay, benzene is converted into phenol. Similar in case ki when we treated with the other condition of reaction, that is also we convert we to obtain a different reactions. So similarly, sometime we used as a benzene in the place of you can also be used formaldehyde like your HCHO formaldehyde. That is when treated with formaldehyde, this like your hydrogen peroxide molecules. So formaldehyde is also be converted into formic acid. Here is your benzene. So benzene is converted into phenol. Similarly, formaldehyde is converted into formic acid. Okay, this is about the oxidizing nature of the hydrogen peroxide in both cases acidic and basic medium. Next is your reducing nature कि when the hydrogen peroxide is act as a reducing agent. So here reducing agent is also act in both the condition, that is your acidic and basic medium. Okay, so firstly we reaction is carried out कि when the hydrogen peroxide that is your treated with as a KMnO4 reducing agent and in the acidic medium, so that is obtained also we sulfate, magnesium sulfate, water molecules and oxygen molecule. The reducing action in acidic medium, that means कि जो हाइड्रोजन peroxide है अगर वो reducing agent character शो कर रहा है both the acidic and basic medium. So firstly we discuss about your acidic medium कि जब भी हम हाइड्रोजन peroxide को as a treat कर रहे हैं इन एसिडिक मीडियम में तो कैसा रिएक्शन हमारे पास रहता है. सो हियर पोटेशियम पर मैग्नेट दैट इज KMnO4 इज treated with acidic medium. So here the hydrogen peroxide is treated with KMnO4 that is a reducing agent, okay, in your acidic medium. After acidic medium treated to convert into potassium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, water molecules and oxygen. And one thing is very important in the reducing character कि here in the all the reaction of reducing nature, so here the removal of ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, यहाँ पे जो भी हमें देखने को मिलेगा जो मॉलिक्यूलर ऑक्सीजन है वो ऑल टाइम हर रिएक्शन में वहाँ पे एज अ फॉर्मेशन होगी. ठीक है, कि वो हमें हर टाइम रिलीज मिलेगा ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स का. आप जब भी रिएक्शन देखोगे किसी भी एसिडिक मीडियम हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड्स का विद रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट्स के साथ, सो ऑल टाइम बी ऑब्टेन योर मॉलिक्यूलर ऑक्सीजन. Okay, and similarly here is also be hydrogen peroxide is treated with the chlorine. Okay, so they also be reduced to be convert here the chlorine that is also be reduced to be HCl or HBr. Okay, so here chlorine is also be reduced to convert into HCl and bromine is reduced to be HBr. Okay, so this is about your acidic nature. Okay, second thing ki when we treated with your in basic medium, so when we silver oxides, okay, lead oxide is be reacted with hydrogen peroxides to be convert into its monoxide and simple metal. Okay, so I have one examples for related to your alkaline medium. So here example ki it reduce the metal oxide to metal, okay, and silver oxide to silver in the alkaline medium. Okay, that means ki these are be reduced in the simple metals and it's a monoxide term. Okay, silver oxide is treated with the hydrogen peroxides to be converted into silver metal simple, and lead oxide is converted into lead monoxides. Okay, so this is about your basic nature for a hydrogen peroxide. Next is your bleaching action. Bleaching action, that means कि here the bleaching action of hydrogen peroxide is due to the nascent oxygen. Means कि here the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide that is convert into water molecules plus nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen is be reacted with your coloring matter, that is a bleaching action. So here this nascent oxygen is reacted with your coloring matters to be convert into its color matter to a colorless matter, that is the bleaching action. Okay, that means the bleaching action of hydrogen peroxide is due to the nascent oxygen and which liberate on a decomposition. So this is the liberation of nascent oxygen on the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Similarly for addition reaction, so here hydrogen peroxide addition of alkenes to be converted into glycols. Okay, that is your addition for a hydrogen peroxide reaction. So here some uses of hydrogen peroxide, that is mostly used in the industrial, okay, industrial uses like your textile industries for the manufacturing of silk, wool, paper pulp, thick leather, oils and fats for uses. It's also be used in daily life like your hair bleach and mild disinfectant. This will also be used in manufacture of the inorganic chemicals like your sodium borates and percarbonates of sodium. Okay, and it is also be used in the production of epoxide, that is also chemicals, propylene oxides and polyesters. Okay, so these are the uses of hydrogen peroxide. Next is the structure of hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide is be formed into two phases. First one is your gaseous phases, second is your liquid phases. So in both structures have some difference. Okay, you can also be see that in the diagram they have the dihedral angle. Okay, dihedral angle, that means ki it is the angle between its or interplane, that is your dihedral angle. Here is the 111.5 degree and here the 19.2 degree angle. So it is your gaseous phase and it is your liquid phase of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, and they have the difference in your bond lengths and bond angle between the oxygen, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, and they have the difference in your bond length, oxygen and hydrogen. This is 95 point picometers and this is your 98.8 picometer. Okay, this is 147.5 picometers and this is your 145.8 picometer. Here is the bond angle is 94.8 and that is a 101. So here also be difference is your bond angle in both phases. Okay, this is your gases and that is your liquid phase. Okay, so this is dihedral angles, that means ki your angle is made between the interplane, this is your interplane. Okay, so student, this is about your hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so today will be complete your hydrogen chapter and will be started with your next chapter, that is your organic chemistry. Okay, so next chapter we started your organic chemistry in your next video.